Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 158 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is just a wonderful, wonderful devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 158. Seek my face, and you will find fulfillment of your deepest longings. My world is filled with beautiful things. They are meant to be pointers to me, reminders of my abiding presence. The earth still declares my glory to those who have eyes that see and ears that hear. You had a darkened mind before you sought me wholeheartedly. I chose to pour my light into you so that you can be a beacon to others. There is no room for pride in this position. Your part is to reflect my glory. I am the Lord. Very, very good. Seek my face and you will find fulfillment of your deepest longings. The earth still declares my glory to those who have eyes that see and ears that hear. If you just look around, you can find God in just about anything. And there are times that He will show Himself to you if you're looking. But you got to be seeking Him. You got to be wanting that, yearning for that. You know, I see God's glory in like the sunsets and listening to the birds in the morning. I mean, I know that's so cliche to say, but it's true. I don't know anybody that could paint the sky like God does and make it that beautiful. I mean, come on. So good. All right, let's do the verses. Look to the Lord and His strength. Seek His face always. Psalms 105:4. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands. Day after day they pour forth speech. Night after night they display knowledge. Psalms 19:1-2. See, darkness covers the earth, and thick darkness is over the peoples. But the Lord rises up upon you, and His glory appears over you. Isaiah 60:2. This is very, very good. Seek my face, and you will find fulfillment of your deepest longings. My world is filled with beautiful things. They are meant to be pointers to me, reminders of my abiding presence. Very, very good. All right, guys, I know these are short and sweet this week, but I really am just doing the best that I can right now. Yeah, I've been sick and it's been rough, so I'm just doing the best I can. But if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. I would love for you to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.